Hello friends! Mercedes-Benz Special Trucks has unveiled the most luxurious Unimog in history. Together with Hellgeth Engineering, it presents an innovative luxury version of the Unimog, featuring an exclusive design and improved performance. The luxury Unimog is based on the highly efficient Unimog U4023 off-road vehicle, equipped with portal axles and a flexible frame, combined with switchable all-wheel drive and differential locks on both axles. It provides the necessary traction and handling even on difficult terrain. The standard 4-cylinder engine has been replaced by a 6-cylinder Mercedes-Benz OM 936 with 300 horsepower. Inside the cabin, premium leather trim, ergonomic seats with colored stitching, leather floor mats and LED lighting emphasize the premium character of the vehicle. Enjoy watching and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.